Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So as you guys can see by the title, your girl done switched it up. But before we get into all of that, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, lifestyle channel, which is Life is Mona B. It will be linked in the description box below and in the iCard section above, so check there. And make sure you guys are also following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. My tongue is red because I'm drinking a Skittles Freeze from Taco Bell that has melted. And so that's why my tongue is red, just to clarify. Anyways, so yes, as y'all can see by the title, your girl done switched it up. This is my birthday here. If you do not know, I'm a Virgo. My birthday is September 8th. And if you want to tune in to what's going to be going on my birthday, subscribe to my vlog channel. But anyways, so this is the hair that I did. Now we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So these are the twisted up wavy bomb twist in 18 inches. Now this is a new collection from Outre. They have like Nubian twist hair and everything now. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try them, and I said yes. And I was like, this was perfect timing because I wanted to do some twists or something like that for my birthday. I was originally gonna do braids, but when they sent these, when I picked these out, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do these for my birthday. These look bomb. So yes, I absolutely love how they turned out. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical, but they turned out so good. They are crochets, and in each pack you get 20 strands. They did send over to me 6 packs of hair. I used 4 packs of hair and 5 strands out of another pack. So basically I have 85 of the wavy bomb twist strands in my head because 20 comes in a pack, so I just counted it up and added it to remember for y'all. So I have 85 strands in my head, and y'all, these claim on there right away that they are lightweight, and y'all, when I tell you, it don't even feel like I have nothing on my head. Like, I cannot believe it. You know how like when you get braids and box braids and twists and stuff like that with like Marley hair, like you can feel the weight. Like these are so weightless. Like obviously I know that I have hair on my head, but honestly y'all, like I really cannot, like I can't feel anything. It's really bizarre. So this new thing that they have created, I don't know if they just use less hair in each twist or what, but they are very lightweight. Like it really doesn't feel like my head is weighed down. They're not tugging on my edges, on my hairline, as you guys can see, like at all. Like it's really bizarre. Like, and I have fine hair, so I was kind of like worried about that. Like I wonder, are these gonna be too heavy? But they're not, and a little bit goes a long way because I only use 4 packs, and as you guys can see, it is really nice and full. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's like perfect, the perfect amount of hair. So that's what I really like about these, but they are lightweight for real. I got these I got them in a color too, but they do have them in different colors. As you guys will see in the video, I did not like do the traditional way of crocheting these. I did the individual way of crocheting, and they're not heavy or anything. And I have a fine, like around my hairline here, is like I have fine type 4 natural hair, y'all. A lot of people, from the looks of my hair on camera, it looks thicker than what it really is. I'm telling y'all, it's fine. And so I was kind of skeptical with doing like the knotless or the individuals like this, because I didn't know if my hair was going to be able to hold them. But my hair is holding these really well because they're lightweight. If they would have been any heavier, like my edges wouldn't have been able to take these. But y'all, I am so impressed by Outre. Like, I love the length. I started my hair at noon and I got done like I think around like 7. I did take a break, so I would say it took me in total like 5.5 hours because this was my first time ever doing this method, so I had to get used to it, and then I had to braid my whole head and then install them. So I think 5.5 hours is good. Like I said, I did take a break to eat, but I am so impressed. Like they look so good. Like, and I like the fact that the knotless, like they look like, I like the fact that my roots look like, you know, they're not really like tight, like, you know what I'm saying, like they're not tight, so they actually kind of look a lot more natural because they're not really tight at the root, which I like. I love that about these. But y'all, they did their thing, because normally I don't like a lot of crochet hair, but these don't even look like crochets to me. Like this looks like, I just twisted this all up myself, I swear. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, this is really good for your natural hair, especially your edges. Especially those edges. Like, these are popping. And they do come, ooh, excuse me, and they do come in different colors. So I definitely want to try them in different colors. But yeah, I know y'all like, girl, stop babbling and talking. We just want to see how you did it. So we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, y'all, so the night before I went ahead and washed my hair, and then I put it into little ponytails. I didn't want it to be super stretched out, so I didn't do the banding method. I just did ponytails, and this is how my braids are coming along so far. I part my hair into 3 sections. I did the back section, then I moved on to the middle section, and then I moved into the front section, and I parted all of the back of those with my hand. I didn't use a comb, and I'm using some Luster's Pink Edge Control in their hair milk. So basically, I did start using a red tail comb at the front of my head because I wanted the parts to be, you know, a little bit more precise. But I started off by putting the edge control at the roots of my hair, and then I add the hair milk at the bottom. I start to braid my hair at the beginning, and then once I get to the end, I twisted my hair. The reason why I braided at the root is that so the twist can hold onto my hair, and then I just decided to go ahead and do a twist at the end. That way it will really blend in with the twist, and this just works best for me because my natural hair is on the finer side, and I need to be able to make sure my hair can hold, you know what I'm saying, the twist. So braids worked out better for me, but you can do twists if that's what you like. But yeah, I'm just kind of doing like triangle parts, different shapes or whatever. Nothing too precise or perfect, as you guys can see. But yeah, this part of it is really simple, and the reason why I didn't do the traditional banding method is because I wanted my hair to be fuller. Like I said, my hair is on the finer side. So, you know, when you got fine hair, you got to work with it. And so you got to make it, you know, thicker than what it is. So I kind of wanted to do my hair when it was like a little shrunken, if you know what I mean. And this is what my head looked like when I got all finished with all of my braids. And then this is the crochet hair that I will be using, the twisted up wavy bomb twist, as you guys can see. And I will be using a crochet hook, and this is what it looks like. It is pre-looped, so I'm just taking a crochet hook through my braid, and then I'm going to literally attach the crochet hair to the hook. I pull it through my braid, and then I let the twist slide down the crochet hook, and then I'm literally grabbing the end of the crochet, hooking it onto the hook and pulling it through the loop, and looping it into my hair, as you guys can see. So now y'all see how my twist from my real hair is sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is unravel the crochet hair, and you guys know it's a twist, so it's with 2 strands. But what I'm gonna do is just braid my hair into the twist. So I'm gonna use my real hair as that 3rd strand and literally braid it down into the crocheted hair, into the twist. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing. Blends in really good. You can't even tell that I did a braid because the twists are so like springy and coily that they kind of like shrink up, so you can't even tell that I braided it in. It still looks like a twist, and I love that about it. So I literally just repeated that same step all throughout my hair. It's a really easy process. Like literally anyone can do it. I'm telling y'all, like it's so easy, and you really don't even know how to, you don't have to like know how to grip, and that's what I like about this. So this is perfect for those of you that don't know how to grip or don't really know how to braid that well. This method definitely will work great for you. And I've had my twist in for about 3 or 4 days now, y'all, and they are in good shape. Nothing has slipped out or anything, so it works. This is how my hair turned out. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to do a video styling these different ways. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!